Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to connect your email address to Wuthering Waves. So all you have to do is access the settings. So simply pause the game if you're in a game, and then simply click on the settings icon in the bottom right corner. And then within the settings, scroll down and find the last icon, which is the account settings icon, and click on it. And then find the user center and click on go. Now give it a few seconds. Now from here, you should find the option connect your email. Here's the first one. All you have to do is simply click on link and then follow the instructions that might appear to successfully connect your email. Now, once you connect your email, you can go back to this page, the pause game. So if you're in a game, simply pause. So once you have linked your email, all you have to do is click on this link email option. And now from here, you can see the rewards that you get from linking your email. Now from here, you can just simply claim the rewards and use them however you feel like. So that's basically it on how to connect an email address to Wuthering Waves. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.